The sky is quiet and the world feels still. Echoes of our memories hang in the air. We walked through fire, climbed every hill, but now we're standing with a truth we can't repair. Maybe we held on just a little too tight. Maybe we tried to fix what wasn't right, but the story is written, the pages won't bend. This is the end, but not the end of me. I'll keep on walking where I'm meant to be. Every goodbye opens up a new door, and even though you're not here anymore, this is the end, but I'll rise again. This is the We chase the sunrise just to feel alive. Laugh through the chaos, love through the pain. But every season must say goodbye, and even the strongest hearts can break in the rain. Maybe it's time to finally let go, time to trust the path I don't yet know. Your chapter fades, but mine starts again. This is the end, but not the end of me. I'll keep on walking where I'm meant to be. Every goodbye opens up a new door, and even though you're not here anymore, this is the end, but I'll rise again. Maybe one day our stars will align, and we'll remember when your heart was mine. But today's a moment we can't defend. We both know this is the end. This is the